Dawning filter system, making filtration of difference. The hydraulic self-cleaning filter is composed of body, inlet, outlet, coarse screen, fine screen, hydraulic motor, piston, cleaning nozzle, drain valve, and controller. During filtration, water enters through inlet, passing through the coarse screen to intercept large impurities, then reaches the fine screen, and the filtered clean water flows out from the outlet. Fine impurities gradually accumulate on the inner side of the fine screen, creating a pressure difference on both sides of the filter. When the pressure difference reaches the set value, controller will send a signal, and drain valve opens. The drain chamber pressure is suddenly released, creating suction at the cleaning nozzle, drawing impurities into the suction shaft and discharging them. The sewage generates radial thrust through the hydraulic motor, causing the suction shaft to rotate and simultaneously move axially. The suction nozzle rotates along the inner surface of the fine screen to clean the impurities on the inner surface. After the drainage process is completed, the drain valve closes, and the suction shaft returns to its original position.